How to cook easy oven-cooked chicken teriyaki. So here I have Kikkoman Teriyaki marinade and sauce. So we need 1 cup of that marinade, put it in a bowl, and then add 2 tablespoons of sugar and around 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. To that, we add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and of course the chicken breast fillet, about 500 grams. We submerge the meat into the mixture. And then we marinate for at least 3 hours in the fridge. So after 3 hours, it's time to bake them. Place them in a baking dish. And your oven should have been preheated to 220 degrees Celsius. So after that, we can bake the chicken for 8 to 10 minutes. After that, we remove the chicken so that we could flip it to cook the other side. We put it back into the oven and cook for another 8 to 10 minutes. And our chicken is cooked. So I have here teriyaki baste and glaze because I will be glazing our chicken. And putting some pickled papaya for side dish. And we're done. Thank you for watching.